everyone, today we're working on our Queen P earrings. We've got all our pieces, let's get started. First, I'm going to set aside a ball head pin. We're going to be using these to wire wrap our beads. Wire wrapping a bead gives for a little bit of an extra pizzazz or a little extra detail for your beading fun. I'm going to use my round nose pliers to begin this wire wrapping. You're going to want to start off by creating an L with your wire. You're not going to trim the wire until the very end. As you proceed, you will create a loop with your wire. I then like to use my pliers to kind of keep my bead and my wire secure. As you can see here, I've created a somewhat of a J with the top of the ball head pin. The piece that is sticking out to the side, I will use to wrap around the bead. Again, I like to use the pliers to keep everything nice and secure so I don't have to worry about dropping anything. But sometimes we do, so just keep on working. Wrap the wire as securely and snug against the bead as you can. As you can see here, I've wrapped the wire around 4 times. Then I'm going to use my wire cutters to simply snip and trim the end. You want to make sure that when you are cutting the wire, that you do it as flush to the bead as possible. It prevents your jewelry from snagging on any clothing. Now I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same step with my pearl bead. We're going to use the round nose pliers to create that sideways L that will turn into a lowercase j. Now that we've got the J done, we're going to repeat the same step with our pliers. Simply secure the loop with your plier. It keeps everything steady, so that way when you twist your wire around the bead, you don't have to worry about it falling or getting misshaped. I'm using a softer gauge wire, so therefore it's really easy to twist. My last pearl that will be added on my earring is this beautiful freshwater pearl. It already had a loop on it to connect, so all I need to do is now grab a jump ring and simply put all 3 of my pieces together. I'm going to add my first jump ring to my silver glass bead. So now you can see the head pin is connected to the jump ring. The next step is to get another jump ring. This one I'm going to attach the freshwater pearl as well as the other pearl. As well, we've attached our glass bead. Everything is connected, and we're going to go ahead and now use our V-shape ear wire as our base for our earring. I'm just going to use my pliers here. You can twist left or right, whichever is comfortable for you, to open up the loop. Now we're going to connect the pearls onto the ear wire. You're going to repeat the same step to make both of your beautiful earrings. Thank you so much for watching our Queen P earrings. Hope to see you soon.